Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Loop Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ethan. We are so happy you're here today.
If this is your first time, welcome. We teach English simply, like friends talking.
Today, we explain two tenses, present perfect and simple past. Many people mix them up.
We use short sentences, easy words, many examples. You will understand everything.
This is perfect for beginners, A1 and A2 level, or anyone who wants to improve.
If you like our lessons, please like the video, share with friends, subscribe now.
Your support helps us make new videos every day.
Let's start. First, simple past tense. We use it for finished actions. Actions with clear time in the past. No link to now.
Regular verbs add ed. Walk becomes walked. Play becomes played. Visit becomes visited.
Examples. I walked home yesterday. She played games last night. We visited family last Sunday.
Irregular verbs change form. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. See becomes saw. And buy becomes bought.
Examples. I went to the market yesterday. He ate rice last evening. They saw a movie on Friday.
Negatives use didn't plus base verb. I didn't walk yesterday. She didn't eat cake.
Questions start with did. For example, did you walk home? Did he eat lunch?
Time words to remember. Yesterday, last week, last month, 2 days ago, in 2023.
More examples with time period. Like I finished work at 6 p.m. We lived in England in 2021.
Now second tense, present perfect. We use it when past connects to now. No exact time or experience or result now.
Use have or has plus past participle. I, you, we, they use have. He, she, it uses has.
Regular past participle is ed form, walked, played. Irregular examples. Gone, eaten, seen, bought.
Examples. I have walked today. She has eaten breakfast. We have seen that film.
For negatives, use not like haven't or hasn't. I haven't walked far. He hasn't eaten yet.
For questions, say, have you walked? Has she eaten?
Time words. Ever, never, already. Just yet. For, since. Today, this week.
Examples. I have lived here for 5 years. Still here. She has known him since 2015.
Let's compare.
Simple past. I ate pizza yesterday. Finished. Time clear.
Present perfect. I have eaten pizza. Sometime. Maybe I'm full now.
Simple past. I lived in Canada in 2020. Over now.
Present perfect. I have lived in Canada for 6 years. Still here.
Practice time. Repeat after us.
I drank water yesterday and
I have drunk tea today.
she gave me a gift last week.
She's given me advice many times.
He took the bus yesterday.
He has taken medicine already.
We made tea last night.
We have made dinner today. Now, common mistakes section. Let's talk together.
Mistake 1. Using present perfect with exact past time.
Wrong example. I have eaten lunch yesterday.
Correct? I ate lunch yesterday.
Mistake 2. Using simple past with for or since.
Wrong example. I lived here since 2020.
Correct. I have lived here since 2020.
Mistake 3. Wrong past participle.
Wrong example. I have went to school.
Correct. I have gone to school.
Mistake 4. Forgetting have or has.
Wrong example. I finished my task. When result matters now.
Correct. I have finished my task.
Great. Let's correct more.
Wrong. She has drank coffee yesterday.
Correct. She drank coffee yesterday.
Wrong. We give gifts last Christmas.
Correct. We gave gifts last Christmas.
Wrong. He take photos yesterday.
Correct. He took photos yesterday.
Wrong. They make cake last birthday.
Correct. They made cake last birthday.
Now real conversation.
Hi, Sarah. Have you drunk water today?
Yes. I have drunk 2 glasses.
Good. I drank tea this morning.
Last night I gave my brother a book.
Nice. I have given many books this year.
Have you taken the train recently?
Yes. I have taken it every week.
I also took the train yesterday.
Have you made dinner plans?
Yes. I have made plans for tonight.
See you soon.
See you.
Notice both tenses used naturally.
Repeat after us practice.
I have drunk milk today.
I drank milk yesterday.
She has given help.
She gave help last month.
He has taken my pen.
He took my pen yesterday.
We have made progress.
We made progress last year. Now let's learn with a short story.
Last summer, I went to the village. I drank fresh milk every day. I gave sweets to kids. I took photos of fields. I made new friends.
This year I have gone again. I have drunk more milk. I have given more sweets. I have taken better photos. I have made even more friends.
Simple past for last summer. Present perfect for my experience now.
Quick review.
Simple past. Finished action. Clear time. Yesterday. Last year. Past form like went, ate, drank, gave, took, made.
Present perfect. Link to now. Experience. Have or has plus past participle. Gone, eaten, drunk, given, taken, made.
Memory trick. Simple. Past is closed book. Done. Present perfect is open book. Still connected.
Final practice. Think the correct one.
I drink tea yesterday.
I drink tea this morning.
She give gift last week.
She give gifts many times.
You did great.
Practice daily. Speak out loud.
Comment your sentences like, I have studied for 2 months, or I studied yesterday.
We read every comment.
Thank you for listening. Your English is improving fast.
Subscribe now. Turn on notifications.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.